Hi, we have a Canon Pixma MG5320 printer, and we're having some problems with the paper pickup. So not every page, especially when we're trying to print photos, it's not picking up every paper that's sent. So there's an easy solution for this. It's very simple, especially with Canon Pixma printers. It's very easy access to any of the rollers for the paper pickup. So on the bottom, there's a drawer, the main drawer that will have paper in there. I'm gonna pull that out, and we're gonna remove the bottom drawer, and I'm gonna put the printer on its side so we can get easy access to this. And as you can see, the pickup rollers for the bottom tray is these two right here. We're gonna grab some alcohol swabs, or you can put some alcohol or cleaning solution. Best thing to do is alcohol on a paper towel or the swab that we have here. Those are easy to get at any pharmacy. They're like $1 or $2 for a box of them. And we're just going to manually spin. It's best to have the printer off at this time. We're going to manually spin one roller with one hand, and then we're just going to keep. Usually it's going to be dirtier than this one. This one only has about 500 pages printed. If you have a couple thousand, then it's going to be more dirty than this, and probably it will be about time to clean them. So you just spin one wheel. If there's one whole roller, you just swipe it across, then twist it a little bit and go on. For the rear tray, that's what we tried to use the photo paper in. We're gonna scoot these over to the sides. The roller in here is pretty deep. I mean, it's not too deep, it's reachable with fingers. It's in this area, and if you put your hand in there, you'll be able to feel the rubber roller. So we're gonna do this a similar plan here. We're gonna take the swab also, and then with another hand, we're just gonna spin the plastic part of it, and as the roller spins, we're going to clean that. And after that, we're gonna let it dry for about a minute, then put some paper in and test it, and you should be ready to go. Any paper pickup issues that you have on any Canon printer is usually a roller. There's no need to replace it. It's just going to be a lot of work. Most of the times they're in good shape. They just need some cleaning. Good luck with that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.